This is good day, everyone. Welcome to the last podcast. I am Joseph Balukan.
And I am Jopet Mbonga,
your host for today. So, we are here now. So, we are here in, particularly in Darwin. So, we are conducting our podcast. So, we are here with our guests. From Cosca.
They are the Cosca students.
Yes, Colegio.
An aspiring grade 11 students.
Colegio de Santa Catalina student. So, we're gonna interview them one by one.
About their students' life.
So, first of all, they're gonna introduce themselves first. Let's
starting with this beautiful lady.
Yes, right here.
Hello everyone, my name is Marilyn Say Halandoni and I'm 17 years old and I live in Darwin, Negros Oriental.
First of all, motto in life and motto in life.
I don't have a motto in life.
Oh, okay, sige. Next, introduce yourself, your motto in life.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Sophia Marie Odias. I am 17 years old and I live in Manila, Dumaguete City, and my motto in life is short, make it shorter.
Okay, so that's her motto. So
next.
Hi everyone, my name is Reynard Kate Banua, 17 years old from Zamboanga, Negros Oriental.
Motto?
Any
motto?
Life? I think I don't have one.
Okay.
Oh, so as the other lady said,
like the other, no motto?
She has no motto. She has no motto. So next.
Hello everyone, my name is Gazal Sequel and I live in Cantili, Dumaguete City and wakoy motto mura.
Wow.
So she don't have motto again. So
Last
this
is
very handsome boy right here in front of
Hello
me.
everyone, my name is Kendrick G. Lopez. My motto I don't have a motto in life.
He's shy.
So our first question is, are you ready?
So let's interview them one by one.
So our first question is, why do you study in Cosca? Why do you choose Cosca as your school? As your school and senior high school? Let's start with Ken Henricks.
I choose Cosca because it's fun.
Oh, it's fun. See, I agree, it's fun.
We agree with that. How about Miss
Gazelle?
Wala ra.
Your thoughts, your simple thoughts.
Simple thoughts about Cosca.
Wala man.
She doesn't have experience because she is always absent. So next is Reinhardt, Miss Reinhardt.
Actually, Cosca is not my first choice, but due to
Due to what? Due to financial problem or anything? Family problem?
Yeah.
Hindi siya financial problem. Kuhaan siya, kadang school dapat ako. Bawal ta ma-dream drop kay...
Okay, sige. Sige,
Kay very expensive manggod siya kontra sa Cosca. So, murag taas pa kayo 2 years. Sayang kayo ang 2 years niya. Murag kuan siya 6 digit ang Balarian. So, ni-decide akong family nga sa Cosca na lang ko.
Yes, agree.
Okay.
Nadyo yung mga school, they have school that is expensive, so expensive na.
How about you, Miss?
Because it's fun, challenging, and exciting.
So trivia, Miss Sophia, how long did you study in Cosca?
5 years.
Oh, she studied Cosca in 5 years old.
5 years,
I think she has a lot of experience in Cosca. So next
how about you, Miss Marilyn Salandoni?
I choose Cosca kay mara may effort sa akong family.
Oh, so financial problem, so Cosca jud. I don't know. Dili siya financial problem guys, kanang nag-budget iya pamilya para siya.
It's just her choice.
Oh, it's just her choice. So, ikaw Pet, why do you choose Cosca as your school?
Well, I just chose it in a whim actually. So, at first I thought of going to maybe Sansai, but I just figured that I want to go to the Cosca school. How about you, Mr. John?
Muchika ko gamay ha. So, taas-taas yun siya nga istorya. So, first choice, I will go to Sayansay. So, that's my first choice. Sayansay na lang ko. So, nag-Sayansay ko. But, Bukan guro to harang na siya nakita ko sa Facebook nga na siya post nga hiring murag trabaho kan anang enrollment sa COSCA and I will take the entrance exam in mo take na ko sa entrance exam sa Sayansay, but the day that the entrance exam will be held will happen is the last day that COSCA will have their enrollment. So I think that if dili ko makapasar sa Sayansay is asa na lang ko maka-eskwela kay last day enrollment sa COSCA mo nang dito na lang ko sa COSCA na naningurado ko mo nang wala na lang ko ni take sa Sayansay. So that's my experience, that's my story on how I go to COSCA. So
okay, so enough about us. Let's talk about our guest. So my first question for all of you is, what is your daily routine as a student in COSCA? Start with Ms. Reinhard.
Daily routine, okay. I wake up at 4 a.m. then
4 a.m. sayo kayo. 4 a.m. lang tulog pa ko ana.
Bye, layo bi akong balay, you know.
Okay, sakto.
Kung travel pa ko 1 hour. Wala. At 5 a.m. that's the time nga maligo lang ko dayon mag-prepare ako sa self. Dayon at 6 o'clock muna na yung time na ako maghulat og jeep.
Oh, okay. So very early dito guys, very early bird. So
how about you, Ms. Landoni? Your daily routine.
Kani guys kay she is from Bukid jud siya guys. Di jud sa siya Malakaw. So let's listen
to her. Let's listen to her. Let's listen to her. Her daily routine as a student of COSCA.
So, ma-wake up ko around 5 kay magluto pa man ko niya, mag-prepare then.
Wow, so ikaw din magluto?
Oh, like sa akong baon or sa rice then magalang pa ako sa akong ison, so dapat pa akong time, then 6 mo eat na ko, then maligo, then muna ang late ko maabot sa kailan. Yeah, traffic pud kayo.
Usap.
How about you, Miss Diaz?
So, mamata ko mga 4, dayon maligo ko 4:30, then pagka 5 kay cellphone pa ko ana, cellphone hinay na ko andam.
Relate.
Then pagka 6 kay hinay na ko ana mag-ilis na ko. Then pagka 6:40 or like 6:50 kay padulong na ko sa COSCA school. Yatod ko sa akong papa.
Okay, so
and our question and answer portion and our podcast. Let's ask the last question. What do you want to say to your subject teachers and also to your advisors? Again, what do you want to say to your teachers and to your advisors?
That's a great question.
So first to answer is Jopet.
Oh, me? What I want to say is that I am very thankful to all the teachers because they've taught me a lot, especially in every subject. Every lesson that I've learned from them, I've used it in my life, in my everyday life. So I'm very thankful for them. That's all I can say to all the teachers in grade 11. That's all.
Next one.
So how about Mr. Kinhenrik Sulocas?
I am so thankful to them, especially to my advisor, Ma'am Oli. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. What a wonderful answer.
What a wonderful answer.
Thank you
answer.
for now. Yes, very inspiring answer. Next answer is Halanduni.
Miss
Halanduni.
Laro ko'y kasulti kayo, like, thankful ako ko sa mga teachers na nagtudlo na po, ay, ituduan mi kung saan kuan, like, so, mga things, sana kung sa ibang buhaton, like, thankful kayo ko kay, like, caring kayo sila nga pagka-teachers, especially Ma'am Molly, yeah, thankful rin kayo kanya.
Okay, so that's what you can say about the teachers. How about you, Miss Banua? Miss Reinhard Banua?
Okay. We all know that our teacher have different personality. So, ako rin nabantay, different kayo, like, the way nga mo care sila na to kay different good.
Wow.
Like magpakita og like kanang
Pagka second parents.
although
Concern sila
magpakita
sa imo.
sila concerned but different way. Mura ako mastorya nila. Pero kuan sa tanan nilang teacher sa senior high, for me approachable sa tanan and they make us comfortable para motok pod if ever natin problem nila or sa atong life makaduol ka guta. Personally, Sir Cornelia, maduolan mo siya.
I might cry with that answer.
Sir Cornelia, guys, kay makapanan na siya nimo, maistoryahan na nimo sa mga tanang problema or tanang mga situations kinabuhi. So,
Neighbors sa tulikod.
so next to answer is
Beer.
Miss Diaz, what is your thoughts about
So
it?
ako na masay is like buta na kay sila and thankful na po kay nila like sila lang pag-teach sa lesson and willing like ma-help sila sa estudyante. Or
Okay.
next.
And I think,
What's your answer?
how about
Thankful yes ra po nila tanan. Thankful ko sa atong mga subject teachers like kay gihelp gud ta nila para maabot atong goal sa atong kinabuhi then gud ta nagitudluan gud ta maayo para masabtan ang mga lessons so makatabang pagka-college na especially mamolige kitabangan gud ta niya maayo para ra malampasan ang atong kuan karon mga challenges mura.
Yeah.
wow, thank you for answering.
So, I think I'm an honest, very conjugal, very I salute to the teachers of senior high because for what this guest and my co-host said that they help us a lot and every times if di wala sila wala jud ta dili jud nato maabot ang atong mga ganahan maabot in the future. Mao nang let's respect. So respect la jud because if we respect them, they will respect us back. Kung palanggaon nato sila, syempre palanggaon punta nila.
Right.
Mao nang for those teachers out there nga nagserbisyo para sa mga estudyante, padayon lang sa inyong pagtudlo. Even if na mga estudyante nga buluyagon,
Sorry kayo.
even if na mga estudyante nga buluyagon, mahandol ra gyapon nila or magpadayon ra gyapon sila. So
Usa na ka na
so mga
buluyagon.
teachers out there nga napoy mga teachers gani nga mo agi pa sila bukid, mo agi pa sila sapa para jud makaserbisyo ug makatudlo sa mga students. So sa mga teachers out there, especially sa mga advisors, to our subject teachers, sa mga teachers sa COSCA, amping mo pirmi and
Thank you kayo.
thank you kayo. Very thank you kayo mi sa inyong mga gipangbuhat namo.
Sa inyong service. Thank you
Inyong
kayo.
service. Dili mo na mo kalimtan whenever matupad na namo ang among
mga professionals.
mga plano sa kinabuhi. So kay isa mo sa mga like bridge para makaabot mi anang point sa among life. So once again, amping permi and continue inspiring students. Thank you. Mura ta ako masulti. So medyo na atong mga istorya ron medyo na nalalum na jud kayo. So we don't have a lot of time, so
we're going to
so amo nang humanon ning podcast karong adlaw.
episode karong adlaw. So first let us thanks our guests for today.
Mr. Hendrix,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Gazelle, Miss Gazelle, Miss Reinhardt,
Miss
Sophia, and Miss
Mary
Lance. And also to my co-host Jopet Buanghang. And so thank you for presenting here today.
So we are very thankful na nakaadto mo dire para mahimong guest even if you have a busy schedule.
Schedule na mo mga kwan sa kinabuhi.
We are very thankful. So I think
So that's it.
That's
Dira,
it.
dira na sa taman. So, muna to. Abang-abang ra mo sa mga next episode sa
next
atong
episode sa atong
podcast.
podcast.
Daghay pa ta mga guests nga atong mga gipang imbitar dire. Mo nang ay ra mo kuan. Padayon ra mo sa pagsuporta.
Like and subscribe naman.
Yes, like and subscribe. So, once again, this is last podcast. Thank you for watching. I am Joseph Balukan,
And I am Jopet Bonghang,
your host for today. Thank you.
Ay, gilak.
Thank you.
Okay.